Music. Is Bitrue the crypto platform for you? Let's find out. All links are down below. Bitrue offers a wide range of trading pairs, high-yield staking, and competitive fees. With over 300 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, and many altcoins, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a casual trader or a pro, Bitrue's got you covered. The simple interface is perfect for spot trading, while advanced users can explore margin trading, futures, and lending. Bitrue's Power Piggy staking program offers some of the highest APYs in the industry. Unlike others, it offers flexible and fixed-term options, giving you more control. Trading fees are just 0.98%, lower than most competitors. Holding Bitrue's token, BTR, reduces fees even further and boosts staking rewards. Futures traders can leverage up to 125x, though this is high risk. Security is key. Bitrue uses cold storage, multi-signature wallets, and mandatory two-factor authentication. While they've had past security issues, they've strengthened their defenses. Deposits and withdrawals are easy, with crypto, bank transfers, and credit card options. Though fiat options are somewhat limited. Overall, Bitrue's diverse assets, low fees, and high-yield staking make it an excellent platform. While past security is a concern, they've improved. If you're looking for a well-rounded exchange with strong staking and trading, Bitrue is worth a look. Check the links below to get started.